Microsoft 365 Business is our new product designed to empower teams, safeguard businesses, and simplify IT management with a single solution that is built for small business. It brings together the best of Microsoft to give small businesses everything that they need. Now, what's in it? First, to empower teams, we have included the full Office suite, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as some amazing services to enable you to connect with customers, suppliers, and your coworkers. Products like Outlook and Teams, OneDrive, and even Bookings are the tools that small businesses need to run and grow their business. Now, the next part to this solution is security. Microsoft 365 Business enables you to protect company data across devices. You'll always be up to date with Office and Windows 10 on your work PCs, getting all of the latest security updates and features, as well as securing your company data in the Office mobile apps on your employees' iOS and Android devices. Now, when an employee leaves the organization, you can remove that company data while not impacting other apps and data on the device, such as pictures or text messages. Now, the last piece to this is so important, and that is to make it easy to implement and manage, especially when you need to take action to protect your company data. With Microsoft 365 Business, it's simple enough that you can configure dozens of policies and settings in a matter of minutes through a simple, easy-to-understand wizard. And when adding new employees to your growing business, all of your security policies are automatically applied, so there are no extra setup steps. Together, we can bring our customers to the cloud with a scalable solution that grows with them. Microsoft 365 Business. Achieve more together, anywhere it matters, with always-on security.